Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing website data on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Clearing your watch's website data will clear any cookies, credentials, and other browsing data. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select general. Scroll down the general settings and tap website data. Then tap clear website data. Tap clear data and your watch's website data will be cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.